Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about the real numbers from 10th standard CBSE syllabus. Let us start with the first numerical, I have taken 10 MCQs in this video. X and Y are two positive integers such that least prime factor of X is 2 and the least prime factor of Y is 7. Then the least prime factor of X plus Y is what? We have been given the four options here. Let us find out the correct option. Least prime factor of X is 2 and least prime factor of Y is 7. Least prime factor of X plus Y is how much? So 2 plus 7, that is 9. And we need to find out the least prime factor of 9. 9's factors are 3, 3's are 9. So it is 3 square. And therefore the least prime factor of 9 is nothing but 3. Option C. Let's go for the second one. If HCF of A comma B is 12 and AB, that is A into B is 7200, LCM of AB is how much? We know the formula or the equation, that is HCF of two numbers, any two numbers. It has been given AB here, and LCM of AB is equal to A into B, the product of the numbers itself. And they have given the HCF is 12, so let us substitute that, and then LCM we have to find out. A into B is nothing but 7200. And if we take this 12 to the right hand side, it becomes divided by, because we have multiplication sign. And 12 ones are 12 6 are 72, and the correct option is option B. Let us go for the third one. If two positive integers P and Q can be expressed as P is equal to A square B cube and Q is equal to A cube B square, where A and B being the prime numbers, LCM of P comma Q is how much? And when we are finding the LCM of the prime factors, we are going to see the highest power of any number. Now this A square and A cube, in this highest power is A cube, so A cube has to be taken. And then we have B square and B cube and B square, and the highest prime factor, highest power of the prime factor is B cube. So we have to take that B cube. Hence the correct option is C. A cube, B cube. Let us go for the fourth one. The product of a non-rational number and a irrational number is what? Always rational, always irrational, always natural number, always zero. Fine. We have been given the product of a non-zero rational number. Non-zero rational number, I can take anything like 3, and a rational number, I can take root 2 as rational number, and the product of 3 and root 2, that is 3 root 2, is what? It is always irrational only. Okay, and it is same for even 3 plus root 2. So addition is also irrational. 3 minus root 2, subtraction is also irrational, and division will also be irrational. Let us go for the fifth one. The exponent of 2 in the prime factorization of 196. We have to find out the exponent of 2, means the power of 2. Means it is one of the factors of 196 is 2. So 2, how many is are 196? 2 98s are 196. And then again even it is 2 49s are 98, and then 7 7s are 40. In this 196 can be written as 2 square into 7 square, and we are supposed to find out the exponent of 2. Exponent of 2 is, the power of 2 is 2. So option is A. Let us go for the sixth one. Sixth one, what is sixth one? LCM of two numbers is 1800. One of the, it is LCM of any two numbers is 1. Find one of the following. So not find, it is which one? Which one of the following cannot be their HCF? Now, which number can be HCF? First, let us find out which number can be HCF. That number which can divide LCM completely. So we have to get a whole number or a natural number. So that number will be the HCF of the given two numbers. Let us start with dividing every number, the options here, dividing LCM by every option. Now, if we divide this, we are going to get 3 ones are 3 6 are. So we get means it is divisible. 1800 is divisible by 300, and in this case we are getting 9 ones are 9 twos are. So 2. So this is also divisible, and the next one we will get 2 ones are 2 nines are. So this is also divisible, and this case 18 by 7. This is not divisible. Hence the correct option is D. Option D. We'll go for the seventh one. If A is equal to 2 into 3, B is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, C is equal to 3 power n into 5, and LCM of A, B, C is 2 cube 3 square into 5, then what is n? So how do we find out this? When we see this 3 power n here and here 3 square, always the LCM is taken the highest power, highest power of the prime factor. 3 is the prime factor, here 3 power n and here 3 square. Therefore, it is 2 is the correct option. Option C. The LCM and HCF of rational numbers are equal, then the number must be. Let us take A as 4, B as 4. Both the numbers are equal. Okay. Then what will happen to the LCM and HCF of those two numbers? So we know that it is, we can, this is not required. This is not required. If we take A as 2 square and B as 2 square, because this is 2 square and this is 2 square. Now what we do, we have to take the HCF of these two. HCF of this is 2 square and LCM is also equal to 2 square. So HCF will be equal to LCM. This is HCF, LCM. Okay, they are equals. The correct option is B. Let us go for the ninth one. Find the HCF and LCM of 510 and 92 and verify that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two given numbers. Let me take 510 as A and B as 92. If you find out the factors, prime factors of 510, it is 255s are, then this will be 381s are, this is 85s are, and this is 517s are. So the factors of prime factors of 510 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and 92 if we do 246 are, 223s are, it will be 2 square into 23. Now let us find out the HCF. Highest common factor in this case is just 2, and the LCM of these two numbers are 2 square into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23, and if you multiply the whole all these numbers, we are going to get 23,460. Now let us find out this relation, that is HCF into LCM should be equal to A into B. HCF is 2 into 23,460 is equal to A is equal to 510 into B is equal to 92. And if you multiply these two numbers, we will get 46,920, and here also we will get 46,920. LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, so hence verified. We are going for the 10th one. Check whether 15 power n can end with the digit 0 for any n belongs to n. N belongs to n here, the number is belonging to natural number. A natural number means it should start with 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity, the counting numbers. Let us find out this. Now if you find out the factors of 15, it is 5 into 3. Factors of 15 are 5 into 3 to the power n. 5 into 3, it will not end with the digit 0, right? In the unit place will not get 0 because 5 3s are 15. To get the 0 at the unit places, it should be, the number should be, we have to get the factors 5 into 2 to the power n. So 2 should be there. 5 2s are 10, 10 to the power n. If we do like this, we'll get 0 as the unit, 0 in the unit place, but this will not. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.